What's up, everybody? Brian Proformance Unlimited. Today on the dyno, there's an LS 441 cubic inch motor. We do a lot of these and love doing these. Love to do a lot more. It's our 700 horse model. Just got done making some beautiful power as always. And this is painted a beautiful color. It's like a black red. It's like a cherry maroon. Deep dark red. Looks great. It's going on an airboat. If you have any questions about any of our packages or Godzillas or LS's, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to put together a package for your vehicle. And happy motoring, everybody. Tear things up. 1-800-267-3940. Easy.